In the remote and breathtaking waters of the South Pacific, near the shores of the Cook Islands, marine biologist Elena Reyes set out for what she thought would be a typical research dive. With over 3 decades of experience studying and protecting whales, Elena was no stranger to swimming alongside these gentle giants. Her passion, born from childhood dreams on the borderlands of Maine and Canada, had taken her across the globe to document whale species and advocate for their safety. On this particular day, she was accompanied by her team and monitored by drone footage as she swam near a pod of humpback whales. But what started as a routine dive quickly turned into the most alarming encounter of her life. As she captured footage of the whales with her waterproof camera, a massive male humpback, over 50 feet long and weighing more than 23 tons, suddenly began swimming directly toward her with unusual intensity. This was not typical behavior. Elena was used to being the one approaching whales, not the other way around. To her shock, the whale made physical contact, pinning her against the water's surface and dragging her farther from the safety of her boat and diving team. Her colleague, watching from above via drone, and her inexperienced diving buddy in the water were powerless to help. Every attempt to escape only pulled her deeper into the ocean. Amidst the confusion, Elena remained calm and used her knowledge of whale anatomy to stay near the safer parts of the animal's body, near its head, away from its massive tail and barnacle-covered sides that were leaving painful scrapes across her skin. Just as Elena struggled to understand this baffling and increasingly dangerous situation, she noticed another whale had joined them. This second humpback was behaving oddly too, repeatedly slapping the surface of the water with its tail. Though it's not uncommon for whales to travel together, their behavior suggested something more than social bonding. Elena, despite her expertise, couldn't make sense of it until she caught sight of a dark, looming figure beneath the surface, a massive tiger shark. Known for their aggression and size, tiger sharks are among the most feared ocean predators. In that instant, it all became clear. The whales were not attacking her. They were protecting her. One whale was blocking the shark's path while the other kept her from swimming straight into danger. Realizing the true nature of her situation, Elena gathered her strength to break free and swim toward the boat. Just as she neared safety, the tiger shark managed to breach the whale's defensive barrier and bit her leg, sending pain shooting through her body. A desperate struggle followed as Elena kicked wildly to fend off the predator. Blood filled the water as the shark pressed its attack, until in a stunning act of bravery, the humpback whale surged forward and slammed into the shark with full force, sending it reeling. The predator retreated, and the waters finally calmed. Elena was pulled aboard the boat, shaken, bruised, and bleeding, but alive. Every moment had been captured on drone and camera footage. Despite skepticism from some, Elena remained confident in what had happened. The whales had knowingly and selflessly protected her from a deadly predator. The experience left her forever changed, deepening her awe for the creature she had dedicated her life to studying. With renewed passion, she vowed to continue her mission, not just as a scientist, but now also as a grateful survivor of the ocean's extraordinary compassion.